Look at this lot. Unbelievable. Very clean specimens, good quality, and pretty cheap too. 354 quid. Can't really beat them, really. Stuart Riley. I've only had a couple of plants. I can't really get too many now. Still got the raffle to go. I'm looking at an agave.
I'll double check.
And they don't understand when you get to the pub. You've got the same people tied to
Them horrible Lophophora Williamsii eye there. Couple of horsed cactuses. Gymnoclisium horsed eye. All kinds. British Cactus and Succulent Society, Bromley branch. Oh.
in between, even when you're in here, they look nice for a while. Yeah. Sometimes, and then they shrivel up. Yeah, or they rot. The frilly ones. Yeah, that is quite a show.
Right. I'm going to pull the first number.
No doubt I've already lost my ticket. I know what I'm like. There's my two. Tephrocactus and Adromiscus. Everyone's a winner, baby, that's the truth.
Got some not a
Brutal murder.
And the first one is 485.
Oh, look at this, look. Agave. Utah hensis. I've got that one. I'm surprised it's so toothy though. I'm sure my Utah hensis hasn't got one of them teeth on it. And the astrophyton.
Well, I think you deserve it having made 2 trips.
Mario stigma. Astrophyton. And an Adromiscus cristatus.
Next one, 488. 495.
And she's off.
Yes. Not this.
No, I couldn't think that it's
490.
Yep.
If you want me to take it down.
All right, thank you. Oh, it's the second one I want actually.
490.
Oh, it looks a bit better.
Gymno.
It's still alive.
Agave.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good actually.
Yeah.
Right. 489.
Yummy.
Yes,
Things on the boil. Yeah. Tea's up.
Strong tea.
Yeah. And the koofies on the other side, coffees. Sorry, whatever. Yeah. Christmas cake? This time of year? Oh, what is there, an Australian here?
Rich ice Christmas cake is what it's called. You're not complaining, are you?
No.
491.
Tea's up. I better get out of the kitchen.
491.
no, 493.
Well, it's in there.
Nice shirt. You're on TV. No, not TV. Living stones. Lithops, living stones.
Then
Torn that one in half. There better not be a second round.
Not me.
486.
We've not got enough plants for a second round.
Oh, have you been round yet?
No, not yet. No.
Remember what the number was?
Hands in charge.
494. Right, and he left. 487. Oh, me.
Me?
487.
Nice shirt.
Right. 497.
Make it suede.
Is there the special one for it?
496.
this one.
Is that the special one?
Strappy. It's a strappy plant.
For that one.
Take it, that's the coffee, not the tea. Adromiscus, yeah.
Is it? Oh,
Yeah, they're pretty good for taking cuttings.
Are they? Oh,
Be
yeah.
very gentle with it though, because it might fall to pieces even more. Huh?
Does it have flowers, do they?
Yes, but they're very, very inconspicuous.
Are they? All right.
It's best to just, yeah, it's best to just grow them, try and get more plants, and just get big clumps of it. That's probably the best thing to do.
That's from Mike.
Tea's up.
Where's that tree?
Ah, lovely.
This is your tea, isn't it? Is that your tea? Yes. We managed to better colour this time. Is that all right?